Designers have a very cute belief. We think if the design is good, it will sell itself. But wait, it's not the case. You can have the cleanest UI on the earth, perfect 8-point grade typography that makes designers cry happy tears, spacing so tight that it has its own gravitational pull, and still here. Oh, I'm not convinced. I mean, that sound that you just heard, that was your soul leaving your body. So I have been going through this interaction design foundation course on presenting like a pro, and honestly, it cracked me open like a walnut. So today in this video, I'll show you three things. One, why communication is your most important technical skill. Yes, more important than Figma. Number two, the three myths that are quietly sabotaging your career, and one secret skill most designers completely ignore. And no, it's not another plugin. So let's get into it. So why this even matters? Presentation is not a bonus skill. It's not the soft, optional, nice to have cousin of your design skills. It's the difference between your work making an impact and your work becoming a forgotten slide in a forgotten deck from a forgotten quarter. Let me explain. Here's why it actually matters. There are three reasons. One, to get input. You are not showing work to show off. You are asking, how can we make this better? There's a big difference between a designer going, look at my beautiful screens, and one going, here's a problem, here's a solution, and where does this break for you? One gets the applause, but other one gets the insight. Two, to advocate. You are literally the lawyer of the user, and if you can't argue case clearly, if you can't say here's the pain, here's the proof, and here's the solution, the business will pick the easiest feature to build, not the right one, and users lose losses. And somewhere a confused user is clicking a button that does absolutely nothing. Three, your career. Your pixels get you hired, but your voice gets you promoted. If you are a designer, make a wallpaper out of it. All right, I need you to sit down. It's not metaphor. Actually, sit down. So we need to bust some myths. Myth one: good presenters are just naturally confident. No, they have just embarrassed themselves in more rooms than you have. They have mispronounced Figma in front of VP. They have accidentally shared the wrong tab. They have said, can everyone see my screen while sharing their calendar? Presentation is a muscle. It gets stronger only when you use it. Nobody is born instinctively knowing how to walk a CFO through a login flow. Nobody. Myth 2: soft skills are less important than technical skills. It's 2026. AI can generate UI in seconds. You have seen it. You have maybe panicked about it at 2 a.m. I am. You know what AI cannot do. Walk into the full room of confused stakeholders, read the energy, answer the political subtext behind someone's question, and guide everyone toward the decision that actually serves the user. That is your highest value skill now, not auto layout, but it's you. Myth 3: I am an introvert, I will never be good at presenting. Some of most powerful presenters I have ever seen are introverts. You know why? Because they think before they speak. They don't fill silence with noise. They listen, actually listen, instead of just waiting for the turn to talk. You don't need to be loud, you need to be clear. There's a massive difference in between. And here's something this course taught me that nobody talks about enough. You don't present the same way in every situation. One way conversation, like this video, are about clarity and momentum. If I lose you in the first 30 seconds, you are gone. I can't ask, wait, does this make sense to you? I only get one shot. Then there are two-way conversations like a design critique are completely different. Your job isn't to talk, it's to facilitate. You are performing, you are hosting, and there's a difference. And then there are the mediums, online and in person. Online is you lose half of your body language the second you go on camera. Your voice becomes your main instrument, your cursor becomes your pointer. Use them deliberately. Don't just wander around the screen hoping someone follows. In person, stand up, move, use the physical space around you. Don't hide behind a laptop like it's emotional support furniture. It's just a tool. Laptop is not your shield. Okay, this is the part most how to present videos skip because it sounds boring and because it requires actual self awareness. Most people think presenting equals to talking. No, presenting equals to talking plus reading the room. Here's what active listening actually looks like in a design review. Stop staring at your slides. Look at the faces. Is someone frowning? Is someone confused? Did someone's body language just shift? Those are the signals. Those are valuable, free, real-time signals that your design is either landing or quietly dying. Second, use micro acknowledgement. When someone is saying, say, I see, that's an interesting point, that's a fair point. These tiny signals tell people you are actually there, not just waiting to defend your work. Third, when someone critiques your design, don't defend it immediately. I know, it's your baby. You spend 3 days, week, or a month for these micro interactions. Just breathe. Instead, say, so your concern is around load time in this flow. That makes complete sense given the users we are designing for. Suddenly, it's a conversation, not a courtroom. And that the biggest mindset shift of all. Stop thinking they don't just get it. Start thinking, how can I explain this better? That's your job, buddy. The first is ego, the second is design thinking. Apply design thinking to your communication, and you literally already know how to do this. Why? Because you are the designers. So, one last thing before you go. Next time you finish presenting, don't end with any questions. That's a presentation suicide. You are handing control back to the void. Silence rushes in, someone checks their phone, the energy collapses. Instead, close with something. How does this solution map to the challenges you are currently facing? Now they have to think with you, not just at you. So if you want my full notes from this course module I'm going through, drop a comment below. I'll share everything with you. And if this video helped even a single designer feel more confident before their next review, that's enough for me. Don't let your best ideas die quietly because you were too afraid to speak up for them. So I am Ritika Grover. See you in the next video.